When they've got tightness in the hamstrings, it's usually the hip flexors that need flexing off. Does that make sense? That's it? No. Right, so you want to leap up.
Watch the people in the car.
Yeah. Watch them. So, it's like I said, from a scoliosis point of view, you'll notice at the moment they're doing a roll down. So if they couldn't see it, in fact, we can do that if you want to. Put your top on, okay? Oh, go on, leave it okay, put it off a minute. It's not like it's cold, is it? So, face them. It's not a test of how you do roll, just roll down. Just don't lift it, just roll down. And then roll back up, actually, it should be here. Just do it again. Oh, she's brilliant, isn't she? Oh, actually, so go on, look, slowly come back up again. There's not a lot in it, slightly this way, but that could just be more development on that side, I'll be honest with you. Sometimes it's bloody obvious. People literally rotate around as they go down. That's okay, thanks Sabrina. So yes, for purposes of your postural assessment on someone and for when you do it on each other now, all you'll be doing is, now I just do it in this order, you can do it in whatever order you want, you'll have your own system. But what I do is from the back, from the side, from the other side, and then from the front. Now the other side is just to see, sometimes like I said, you'll see, you might not notice something more that you notice the other side. Does that make sense? So just for that side, front and back. So 4. When you do that side and that side, it usually just confirms. You can usually see something different in the hips, I'll be honest, and something just doesn't look right. You okay with that? So what you're going to do is pair up. You're going to use those forms. You don't have to if you don't want to. They're just a guide for what to look for, that's all. If you want to keep down and photocopy, you can. You just write what you find now on a bit of paper.